answer the question. You want answers?
I think I'm entitled.
You want answers?
I want the truth!
You can't handle the truth! Son, we live in a world that has walls, and those walls have to be guarded by men with guns. I have a greater responsibility than you can possibly fathom. You have the luxury of not knowing what I know.
So what we're going to talk about here today, folks, with Mike from Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide, we're going to talk about cloud seeding. And they've been doing it since the 1930s. They spray our skies with certain elements to either make rain, or dissipate rain, or even break up hail. And Alberta has the only functioning weather modification station in Canada.
The most frequent hailstorms occur in Canada.
Meet Weather Modification International. They are a private, non-profit organization funded by Alberta's largest insurance companies, conducting cloud seeding in thunderstorms with the hopes of reducing hail size and resultant damage. While cloud seeding programs exist in a number of countries worldwide, this is the only one in Canada. Since 1996, WMI has operated in Alberta from June 1st to September 15th, working around the clock to target potentially destructive hailstorms threatening their project area, which extends between Calgary and Red Deer. They use a fleet of 5 aircraft stationed between Springbank and Red Deer airports, with the main control center out of the Olds Didsbury Airport, where a team of meteorologists work to forecast storms and coordinate the day's operations. But how does cloud seeding work?
These are the cloud seeding flares. They have silver iodide smoke that creates ice crystals in the clouds to use up or consume the supercooled liquid water.
This increases the amount of ice crystals in the cloud, which ultimately causes rain and small hail to fall out earlier. While hail isn't eliminated, they've documented a reduction in the updraft strength that is responsible for the growth of large hail.
Essentially every case study shows that after seeding, the storm severity or intensity will decrease. There still might be some large hail, but the area of the large hail has decreased or diminished. So the number of claims should be less.
The aircraft injects silver iodide into areas at the base of the storm, as well as about 6 kilometers up into towering cumulus clouds.
Is very, very small. We are not dispensing large amounts of chemical. It's trivial, and the natural concentration of silver in the water on the ground is higher than what we are putting into the clouds.
Well, as population continues to increase in south central Alberta, more and more people